If your mess inbox is showing an error loading the inbox, the fastest way to figure out what is wrong is to isolate the problem from your normal browser session. In most cases, the issue is caused by a bad cookie, a corrupted cache, an extension conflict, or even a temporary service problem on Microsoft's side. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back into your email as fast as possible. If this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. Let's get started. First, open an incognito or private window on your browser. On Windows, you can press Ctrl, Shift, and N together to open a private window right away. This is important because it gives you a clean session without your normal tracking cookies, saved login data, or most browser extensions interfering with the page. Once the private window opens, go directly to live.com and sign in with your Microsoft account credentials. Now watch what happens when your inbox loads. If everything opens normally in incognito mode, that is a strong sign that the problem is not your account itself, but something stored in your regular browser. That could be a corrupt cache, a stale security token, or an extension that is breaking the Outlook layout engine and causing the inbox to loop on a blank or error screen. If the inbox still does not load properly even in private browsing, then the issue may be related to your account, a Microsoft outage, or a storage problem inside the mailbox. Next, if the private window works, go back to your normal browser and clear the browser data completely. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard to bring up the privacy menu instantly. Set the time range to all time so you remove every old session file that could be causing the error. Then make sure you check cookies and other site data along with cached images and files. These are the two most common items that cause Messen and Outlook loading problems when they become stale or damaged. After that, click Clear Data. Once the cleanup is finished, close every browser window completely. Don't just minimize the browser. Fully shut it down so the old session is not still running in the background. Then reopen the browser and try loading your mail again at live.com. In many cases, this alone fixes the inbox error immediately. Now, if you are still seeing the error loading inbox message, there is one more important thing to check: your email storage. If your mailbox is at 100% storage, Microsoft may not let the inbox configuration load correctly. This can happen if your deleted items folder is full or your junk email folder is holding too much data. Go into those folders and permanently empty them if needed. Deleting a lot of old messages, large attachments, and spam can free up enough space for the inbox to start loading again. Also check whether your account is close to its storage limit across Outlook and OneDrive, because Microsoft accounts sometimes share storage resources depending on the plan. After clearing space, refresh the mailbox and try again. If the issue still hasn't been solved, the problem may not be on your device at all. Sometimes Microsoft services go down temporarily, which can cause missed mail or Outlook to fail while loading inbox content. A very quick way to check that is to visit Downdetector and look up Outlook. If you see a big spike in reports, that usually means there is a service outage affecting many users, and the best move is to wait until Microsoft resolves it. So to recap, start with an incognito window to isolate your session, test live. Clear your cache and cookies with Ctrl, Shift, and Delete. Empty deleted items and junk email if storage is full. And then check Downdetector for any Outlook outage. Follow those steps in order and you'll usually find the cause of the Messen inbox loading error very quickly. If this video helped, please hit the like button, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and I'll see you in the next one.